All right, home tour for you. If you came from the real, here we are at 5107 East 109th Street in Tulsa. We're in South Tulsa today. I think the gray with the blue shutters is really pretty, super cute house. So it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,445 square feet. Let's go check it out. We're in Hunter's Bend, if you're familiar with that neighborhood. Great neighborhood, super quiet. Everyone's yards are nicely kept, which is always a telltale sign of a great neighborhood. Before we get too far into this house, my name is Ryan Hinsey. If you're new here, I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team with Keller Williams, serving Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So whether you're looking to make a move now or in the future, I would love to help you make that smooth move to Oklahoma. And if you like home tours like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. I also post a lot of real estate tips and tricks and Oklahoma lifestyle content as well, which is great if you're not familiar with the Oklahoma area. My channel would be a good place for you. So let's head on in and check out this house. It's also worth noting that the interior design is done by Emily Davis Interiors, if you're familiar with that. So love the rock up the side. Nice little kind of small patio entrance here. And check it out. I love the barreled ceiling there. And then you've also got this really cute dining area. Oh my gosh. Love the pop ceiling with the beams. Stunning. Love all the windows too. Lots of natural light. You have a seating room right here. Den area. There is another living room. Really cool. And then the upstairs is amazing, so be sure to check out that. Or stay tuned for that. Before we go that way, there's the living area, but let's check out the primary bedroom first. Gorgeous. Love the pop ceiling. And then wait for this bathroom, you guys. Prepare to be amazed. Love it. I love the blue cabinets. They could be black. I think they're dark blue. Don't quote me on that. But I love the countertops. Really nice. I even like the ribbon backsplash there. Is a nice extra touch. Gorgeous tub, gorgeous shower. No complaints. You have the toilet in there, and then you have not one, but 2 closets. So there's the first one. They're relatively the same size. But that's a really nice feature. And then we'll head out this way. You do have double doors on the bathroom there. I don't know if I said that. So you do have in the hallway here, coat closet. I believe this one's a coat closet as well. Oh, I'm sorry. This one is actually a half bath. Super cute. I love the kind of golden copper fixtures there against this really dark wall. That's pretty sweet. Awesome. So you have a really massive living area in addition to the den over there. And then you've got a gas fireplace. Stunning. I love the detail there with the bricks going vertical. It's a little different. Of course, a spot for the TV. And I love all the windows in here. It is great. And then this is kind of a big loop. So that was the front sitting area. And then that hallway where the closets were. So pretty great. Kind of a kitchenette dining area. And then you've got all of this gorgeous granite countertop. Electric range. I like the window behind the sink, so you keep an eye on the kids in the backyard. You have, I'm going to say that's a double oven. So it is actually double. I said double. It is a double oven, but it's also a microwave. So you have oven and microwave here, and then this one's also an oven as well. So that's neat. I don't think I've actually seen that before. Good size fridge. You have pantry space right here. And then over here is going to be your utility room and garage access. Good size room. They even have another fridge in here too. So if you have a big family or you like to entertain, you also have a sink in here, which is great. Here is that 2-car garage. You have some overhead storage, shelving. It's pretty great. What's around the corner here? Oh, you could do like a little workbench in there. Love that. That's probably the utility closet for like the water heater and all of that. Let's head back on in here. So outside here, you have an absolutely gorgeous backyard, you guys. Love the big mature tree. Loads of playing space for the kids or for parties. You have loads of entertaining space, and you have this gorgeous fire pit over here. I love it. I don't know if this is gas. I don't see a key, so I don't think it's connected to the line, but that's not really a big deal. You do also have like a sound system out here, so there's a speaker there. There's also one over there, and then of course you have can lights in the ceiling. No complaints here. Love this backyard. I'm sure this doesn't come with it, but that's cool that they have a heat lamp out here. So upstairs is the rest of the bedrooms. You guys, it's so nice up here. It's probably one of the nicest upstairs areas I've seen. Love all of the white. I love the light fixture. You have kind of a play area there for the kids. Over here, we have got a hall closet. Good for storage. Grab the light. And then over here, it's one of the bedrooms. Really good size. I always like to check out the closet space. Good closet space. And then over here is the twins' bedroom. I shouldn't know if they're twins, but I'm assuming relatively the same age. And then you have, I think this is a Pullman, yeah. So you've got a Pullman bath here. Here, let me back up. So dual vanities, love the countertops. I like that they framed out the mirror. That's always an extra touch. That makes it look nice. Cute light fixture. And then this bedroom also has a nice closet as well. So I'll show you the full view here. It's pretty great. And then over here, this could be another bedroom, but it is a playroom. Movie room, bonus room, game room, whatever you'd want to use it for. It does have vinyl plank floor in here, which is really nice. Basically indestructible, so good for taking a beating. You have more storage in this closet here. And then over here, you have a full bathroom. Pretty great. This is probably attic, I had to guess. Sure. I don't see the light switch. Oh, wait. Oh, darn. I can't show it to you because it's too dark for the camera. But it's attic storage. And then, I think that's it. I think this house is pretty great. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. I always love to give feedback to the sellers of what people think of their home. Of course, if you're thinking of making a move to Oklahoma, I would love to help you out with that. Like and subscribe for more home tours like this, and I will see you in the next video.